excited today? Because watch out the world, because PHILISN just came out with the latest car detailing products. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the PHILISN car detailing product on my BMW to make it look shiny and to make the tires into a new-like condition. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. If you're like me who love a high-end luxury performance cars like the BMW M6 competition, I've been looking to find great detailing product, and I finally found the one that I really love. It's called the PHILISN high-end car performance detailing kit. The cool thing about this kit, it comes with the super concentrated car shampoo right here that will remove all the sediments, impurities from your car paint when you use this. The bottles are not very big because they're really concentrated, not like the big bottle that doesn't have what do you call that, the formula highly concentrated. So PHILISN made their bottle really small, but it is super strong in order to clean and remove all the oxidation and impurities from your car. This is the shampoo, and not only the shampoo, PHILISN came up with this super highly concentrated surface protector that we'll be using after we wash the car. And this is the cool stuff. This is the secret of why my BMW is really shiny, is the quick shine. This is just awesome stuff. It comes with an applicator that we'll be using. So, and also it comes with the tire radiant spray. Again, it is super concentrated formula, and it doesn't have to be really big. You just have to spray it on the tires once you use the soap. The soap is really safe for the car paint as well as the wheel and tires. So anyway, yeah, this is the kit. It will come with shampoo, surface protector, and quick shine. It is a ceramic liquid wax basically. The cool thing about the ceramic liquid wax, it will bring the shine on your car. And the thing is about my BMW M6 convertible, I can't take this to a regular car wash. I have to do a hand wash with this one. You don't want to let's say you have a Ferrari, Maserati, BMW M6, or Mercedes or Bentley. You don't want to take it to that automatic car wash. It will scratch up all the paints. It's just a no-no. This is why today I'm going to show you how to use this product to make sure your high-end cars will shine, and we will bring that high-end car into a brand new shiny like condition. Again, this is the ceramic quick shine, the tire shine protectant, and 2 applicators. Isn't that cool? The kit comes with all of this if you buy it from PHILISN. It comes with a microfiber towel for drying the car, detailing brush, tire brush. The thing is, come here, Brenda. Tire gets really dirty from the, check this out. It may not look dirty, but look, voila, all the brake dust from the tire. No, you don't do that. But anyway, this is really bad stuff. If you leave it on for a while, it will ruin your wheels, okay, and your paint. So you need to wash it with PHILISN shampoo to remove all that brake dust and impurities from the dirt, from, you know, road grimes and all that stuff, you know, to make sure your car paint, it is at pristine condition. Anyway, when I come back, we're gonna start washing the car. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I really love the PHILISN shampoo. This PHILISN luxurious suds works with a pressure washer foamer as well as a hand wash. So in this video, I'm gonna do a hand wash to make sure we're doing it nicely on my BMW. The thing is about car like this with a convertible top, is easier to do a hand wash. So what you want to do is just open this up And we're gonna go ahead, and you don't have to put very much. Look, it's super thick and highly concentrated. Look at that. Look. Ding. Wow. Yeah, you don't need very much, okay? Look. There. That, and then from here, this is super concentrated. If you put a little bit in a foamer, it will just foam your entire car. But in this video, I'm just gonna use my bucket and oops, and we're gonna foam it. Look, it start foaming. Show them, brother. Yeah, you don't need very much of the PHILISN car wash. Before we put the PHILISN car shampoo, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the dirt using water. The back part of the BMW M6 gets really dirty. It gets a lot of root dust. So I have to loosen it up, and the side from the tires. Once the dirt are loosened, we want to get nice mitten. Look at that. This stuff is so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is super cool. Let's just remove all the contaminants from the road. It's really hard to maintain a white car clean. Oh, look at that. All that stuff start to disappear. Some of them comes with paint impurities because of the age of the car, but the one that's been stuck on the paint start to disappear and to fall off like that. You want to work your way from top to bottom when you wash the car. You don't want to wash the bottom and to the top. You want to work from the top. From top, you go down to the bottom like that. Top, and you work your way down to the bottom. The same thing. Do it very patiently. Top to bottom, not bottom to top. So, there you go. Top to bottom. So yeah, this is cool. I work my way from top to bottom, okay? Yeah, we're almost done. When you wash your car, be patient. Don't rush. Get a high quality mitten. And I'm gonna put everything in the description, okay? I'm really impressed. Look at that. Man, it's like the dirt is like melting from the car paint and start leaving it. So we're gonna leave it for 3 to 5 minutes on the paint. We want to get another mitten that we're gonna be using for the tires and the wheel. There you go. Start work your way on the tires and the wheels. Don't mix your nice mitten that you use for the body for the wheels, because you don't want to ruin the body paint. Yeah, always use a separate mitten. Come closer. Look how dirty it is, right? I'm gonna put some of PHILISN soap. Look at the brake dust, especially if you have a nice brake caliper. Look how nice the blue of the BMW caliper. It brings the shine now. Man, the wheel looks so nice. And the tires also, you have to clean the tires. Everyone, after 3 to 5 minutes, look at that. The car starts to shine, but we still have to rinse. Just rinse it. And look at that. Look how shiny it is. It makes the surface paint is really smooth. Awesome stuff. Anyway, when I come back rinsing the car, we're gonna dry the car and put the ceramic wax on the car to make it shine. I'll be back. Hi everyone, I spotted some hard to clean spot on the wheel, and guess what? PHILISN is ready to have the wheel brush. So what you want to do to reach this hard to clean spot, and PHILISN actually will include the wheel brush in their detailing kit. Now that the car is rinsed, PHILISN gave us their microfiber towel to dry the car. It's really thick and it's really cool. What you want to do, you just have to, you don't want to do circular motion on this one. You just have to do it like that. See that? How fast it dries my BMW. Just pull it like that. Look how fast it is. Man, you don't want to do a circular motion when you dry your car. If you want a good result like that, okay. Gonna do it like that, and we pull it. Man, such a nice product. Anyway, when I come back, we'll apply the ceramic car wax on my BMW M6. I'll be back. Now that the body is dry, I'm gonna start drying the wheels, and I'm using a different microfiber towel for the wheels. Again, you don't want to mix it, and the wheel looks so clean and black, so I'm really happy. Hi everyone. Now that the car is dry, I'm gonna use the ceramic wax spray to bring the shininess of the car. I'm gonna use the applicator. The cool thing about PHILISN, it comes with an applicator and a handle. You just have to put it like that. Open the product, spray it on the applicator, maybe spray it on the car, and it doesn't have to be much, and then you just start applying it. I'm gonna do it up and down motion. Oh, look at that, man. The thing is, it makes the car so smooth. Look at that, man. No ugly wax residue at all. This is so good. This is super cool. Look at this, man. PHILISN, this is incredible. Look how shiny it is. I mean, that ceramic coating really brings the shine on my BMW M6. Look at that. It's clean and leaves all the dirt on the logo too. I'm super impressed. And PHILISN actually gave you another quick shine. Let's say you go to a car show and you need to do a quick shine. You just apply this product, the quick shine, ceramic shine, on a microfiber towel, and you can use it to clean your car real fast. So yeah, this is another cool thing. I don't need it right now since I just put the ceramic coating wax on my car. But what I need to do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the tire shine. Again, PHILISN includes two applicator pads, one for the body, one for the tires. Okay, and this is so cool. And I'm gonna spray it on the tires. Look, it's a little bit oxidated, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the tire shine. There you go. And you want to actually apply it on the applicator like that, and a little bit on the tire. It brings the shininess. This is like super shiny. It looks like you just bought the tire. This is like another miracle product. And look, wow, I am so excited just to look at that. Man, this will make your car stands out if you go to a car show, because they'll be like, what kind of tire shine do you use? And you don't have to put a lot. That's the cool thing about it, okay? And look at that, man. This is before PHILISN. It looks a little bit gray and oxidated. This is after. Do you see how black and how dark? This is before PHILISN tire spray. After. Look at that, man. Cool stuff. Voila! We're done for today. Holy cow, let's check it out. Let's go around. Show them, Brenna. Incredible stuff. Yeah, I'm super happy. PHILISN, your product is amazing. This is a 5 out of 5 star product. Super efficient, super fast, and super easy clean. So look at this. Beautiful car and ready to go to a car show. It takes around like 10 to 15 minutes to do this. Probably it's gonna be faster for you if you're not doing any video like I do. But look how beautiful my M6 is. Wow. Thank you so much, PHILISN, for sending me this 5 out of 5 stars product. Mwah, mwah. Love you guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Bye.